Okay, bonjour tout le monde. Hi everybody. I just wanted to quickly go through how to access the online library materials. I sent an email and I thought a video would also be helpful. So schooldistrict72.bc.ca takes you to this page. And there's the web page up there. Scroll down and click on District Library Learning Commons and Education Center, which opens another window. And then you go to School, which opens another window, and then you go to find your school, so École des Demandes or École Willow Point. Click on that school. And then it takes you to the Follett software Destiny Discover page, which is the portal to accessing the library resources. Okay, there we go. And if you're a student, you go up to Login at the top right corner. And that will allow you to log in as you. So I'll click on that. The internet is slow today, apparently. While that's waiting to load, I'll just go through what else is on here. So there are read aloud books, there are research, so let's just go to read listen, and I'll show you what can be found there. So Epic Books have subscribed to, and many people are reading those. There's also some links to some online content, so TED-Ed is great. Biblio-Video is en français. NFB can be en français as well. Curio is en français. And there's some free audio books and ebooks. So if I go to ebooks, this is through Rob Braun Center, and I can search. There's all of them, or I can search French, and over here we can go, let's see, language, French. And so, because the internet is giving me problems right now, we can't see many of the images, but you can see that there are some ebooks which you can access online at varying levels. Okay, and there's collections as well. So there is now, let's go back to the login page. So here you need to do first name dot last name, and then this is the last 4 digits, whatever that happens to be, of your MyEd pupil number, and if you need that, please let me know. And once you sign in, you can access all those things I just mentioned, as well as you can put a hold on a library book online and then come pick it up at school. Okay, I just wanted to show you that because there's a lot of resources here. French graphic novels, French books, French Revolution. There's many collections, a lot of different stuff you can access. It just takes some going through to see what there is, but there is a lot. So from here to here to here, and then from here you can go to many different sub-menus, many different resources. Okay, merci beaucoup tout le monde. Happy reading.